Add 21 and 494 thousandths plus 9 and 8 tenths. Whenever you add decimals, it's always very important that when you set things up, your decimals are right above the other. So when I write out 21.494, I'm going to make sure that for 9.8, the decimal goes right there, and the numbers that are supposed to be around it are around it. Now we add these up. Now, remember, if things don't look right here, no big deal. If you're like, we're missing numbers, that's okay. At the end of a decimal, you're allowed to add zeros, like that. Now you add up the way you normally would. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 8 is 12. Write out your 2, carry the 1. Drop down your decimal. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. Write out your 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And you end up with 31 and 294 thousandths.